Alright.
Okay, Normie.
Nora's a big girl. She's eating rice for the first time.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hold on. Do you like it? Is it good? That's good.
She wants to do it herself.
Okay. Hold on. Give Mama. Should we have another bite? It's okay if you spit it. Oh my God. You breaking Mama's heart. So cute. No.
You like that? She looks like she does.
Yeah. You're a big girl. Nora. Who's a big girl? I think she likes it.
Yeah. She's looking for more.
More? I did a teaspoon of rice and 4 teaspoons of liquid breast milk. It's so watered. It's so liquidy.
Oh, that was a big spoonful.
You are cuter than cute. Oopsies. That's okay. You're still learning. Okay.
She just doesn't really know what to do.
I know. Cute. Okay. Some more.
You like that?
Is it good, Nora? Is it good? Do you like it? I know, it's so good. Oh my gosh. I love you, kiddo. Okay. Yep, Mama's coming.
I think she loves it, huh?
I think she totally loves it.
What do you think, kiddo?
Is it good? Mama likes rice too. It's a big one. Oops.
Like a little bird.
I know. Some more? Oops, that's okay.
That one wasn't going anywhere.
Do you like your cereal? Is it so good? Is it filling up your belly?
You gotta swallow that stuff.
She's doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Nora.
Miss Messy Face.
Okay. Does Papa want to feed you? Do you want to try it?
Sure.
I'll finish
You
it.
know,
Okay, Papa gets a turn at feeding her.
you ready for this? Do you want some more?
Nora's first rice.
You ready? Here it comes. Is that tasty? Oh, we got most. We should have put a bib on it. Oh.
I know. Is that good?
Figuring this out. All of us are.
I think she loves it.
Couple spoonfuls left. That's it, I think. Oh. Then maybe we'll wipe off your face and squeeze that into your mouth, huh? Blah, blah. You want to lick the spoon? There you go. You can have it.
Nom, nom. Did you like that? Was it good?
I can get... Oh! I can get one more. Pour this onto here, maybe. Okay, last bite.
Nummy.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. Did you like it, Nora? Was it good? Say bye-bye. Bye.